Hey guys, welcome back. It's your boy AMAR here. Welcome back to the 4-part tutorial on how to buy a new car. From the comfort of your home to picking up the vehicle, we're going to cover all the aspects. Now, if you've seen the first two parts, part 1 is online search, part 2 is calling the dealer. Now, moving on to part 3 is going to be visiting the dealer. Now, you've left your home, you've left your phone, you've got in your old vehicle, and you're going to the dealer. Now, let's help you out. Let's get started without wasting any time. Number 1. Be ready for slow service. When you go to any new car dealer, be ready for slow service. You're going to walk in there, you're going to meet the first reception desk. The people that are going to be on the phone, they're not going to be on the phone. The lady's going to get a salesman. People are slow, they're dragging their boots. Be prepared for slow service. Out of all the 4 parts, you're going to have patience. I know, guys, you say I'm going to be spending over 20,000 bucks. I have to be patient. Welcome to the world of new car sales. Be prepared for slow service. Okay. Rule number 2, never ever buy a car on a Saturday. I repeat, never ever buy a car on a Saturday. Saturday is the number one most, well actually 2 things, the most busiest day and the most busiest day for people not buying nothing. So Saturdays, never buy a car. You're going to go in a dealership, there's going to be 20 salesmen, they're going to be busy helping other people. You're also going to get a lot of customers who are just there for free coffee and not buying nothing. They're also there wasting people's time. They're going to take up space and they're actually going to waste salesman time for actual potential buyers. So never buy a car on Saturday. A dealership may even sell 5 to 10 cars in one day, and you may be a potential buyer, but they're going to blow you off and be quick with you because salesmen are obviously commission based. They want to move on and keep getting as many people as they can to help get more sales. So never buy a car on a Saturday. All right, guys, moving on to the next point. Always buy a new car on the weekdays. Weekdays are absolutely dead. Weekdays, new car salespeople are looking for you. Weekdays, new car sales managers and dealerships want to give you more money off because they're not making no sales. Always buy a vehicle on the weekdays, and I'm going to slide another quick point. Always buy a vehicle at the end of the month. End of the month, dealerships have certain numbers to hit, certain new car numbers to hit with manufacturers so they can get rebates and kickbacks. So always buy a vehicle even the last day of the month. Hit them up, haggle them. Believe it or not, you can save a lot of money, and don't be scared. All right, guys? That's what they're for. Okay, moving on to the next point. Make sure you know what your bottom line is. Make sure you know exactly how much money you got in your pocket. What are you going to bottom out as? What are you going to offer them? If there's a vehicle they have listed for $23,000 plus tax and you only got 21,000 bucks max in your bank account, go in the dealership knowing you have 21,000. That being said, you're not going to get it. You may not get a vehicle for 21,000. Also, you may get a vehicle for 21,000. But know your bottom line. Know when the dealer's new car salesman is going back and forth with the manager, he's going to have a clipboard. He's going to say, oh, can you do 22.5, 23.2, whatever, blah, blah, blah. Tell the guy, give him the credit card. I have 21,000 bucks cash. Take it or leave it. So know your bottom line, okay? Next, another point you want to know before visiting the dealer, always check their operating hours. Monday to Thursday, dealerships are open late. Friday, dealerships close early. And Saturday, some dealerships are open really late. And some of them are only open until 5 o'clock. Common sense, check the dealership hours, give yourself enough time. Don't go half an hour before the dealership closes to buy a car. The new car sales guy wants to leave, you're not going to get good service, and you're not going to buy a vehicle in a half hour anyways. So don't waste your time or the new car salesperson time. Give proper time to yourself and the new car dealer. All right, next point is, it's better never to buy a car from someone you know. Meaning, don't buy a car from your friend that's a new car sales manager. Believe it or not, guys, in this world, your friend is your friend, but he also wants to make money off you. Buy a car from somebody you don't know. They're going to give you better service. They're going to aim higher to please you. They're going to give you better value for your dollar, and they're going to go the extra mile. Well, your friend may know, hey, my buddy's a slacker. I know what I can get out of him. He's not going to try. Believe it or not, buy a car from someone you don't know. Okay? Now, always talk to the salesperson you were talking to on the phone if they gave you good service. If the guy gave you good service and gave you a little bit of a haggle price on the phone, obviously go and talk to the same sales guy. Be fair to the new car salesman because he's also going to work hard for you to make a sale. End of the day, that's what they're there for. So give the new car sales guy a fair shot if he helped you over the phone. Take your time at the dealer, referring to my other point. Like I said, you're not going to buy a vehicle in a half an hour. You're not going to buy a vehicle in 10 minutes. It's going to take a couple hours to sit in a vehicle, test drive, see your options, haggle the price, see what packages are higher and lower, see what you're getting. You need 2 to 3 hours to buy a new car at least on the first visit or even look at one. Don't rush the sale, all right? And make sure you do that. Next thing, never ever buy a vehicle the same day. I don't care if the guy's giving you free floor mats, free wax for life. Never ever buy a vehicle the same day. Go to the dealership that you like, whoever gave you good service, haggle the best price. Don't give the dealer some lame excuse like this is for my wife or this is for my dog or cat. Tell the guy honestly, say, you know what, you gave me a good deal, but I'm going to shop around and I'm going to check my options. Let the dealer know that you're man enough to tell the guy, not some lame excuse, but also that, you know what, you're going to look around. 99% of the time, you can always get a better deal than what from someone else gave you. Like I said, shop around, get emails, get quotes, hit up a brand new dealer over the phone, or like I said, in person. Tell people what you're getting. The other dealer may be able to beat that. Don't be in a rush to give a deposit. If there's 200 Ford Escapes out there, trust me, they're not going to sell 200 in one day. And even if they do, they can get it picked up from the factory within a couple of days. So no rush to absolutely buy a vehicle the same day. Now, if you're an impulse buyer and you're getting a smoking deal, that's up to you. But 99% of the time, whether I've seen owners, people buying Rolls Royces all the way down to a Chevy Spark, no one buys the first day, so don't buy in the first day, okay? And that basically sums up part 3 of my tutorial about visiting the dealer. We're going to move on to the last final section. Stay tuned. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter at Hilliard's Rimlines, or my personal account, AMAR SIHRA. Thanks, guys.